Next, we'll demonstrate the feather stitch. Using 6 strands of color number 5. Bring up at the upper left. Then insert below. Don't pull tight. Leave some slack on the fabric. Bring up at the middle. Pull upward, forming a V shape. Following the pattern's path. Insert below again. Again, don't pull tight. You can hold the thread with your finger. This makes embroidering easier. Continue bringing up at the middle. Remember to alternate up and down, creating a regular left-right pattern. Keep even tension when stitching, or the feather will be crooked, affecting the overall look. Insert. This feather stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.